let's go. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
This life, you know it's you. You have to work hard, you want to make it, my mama tell me, my papa tell me, say if I work hard, one day I go make am. Hey, my brother, this story, I say not true story, it happened for Lagos, between me and Big Boss, hey, I did my own, they call me, they sign me, they say make I sing song, I sing a hit song, them say he no sell, they no give me house, they no buy me motor, they tell them I say they buy me on my own, say they give me 5 million naira, but me no send them, cause I say they want to kill my destiny, that's why I don't tell you own story, this one, I'm my own story, and I this story, this life, you know it's you, you have to work hard, you want to make it, my mama tell me, my papa tell me, say if I work hard, one day I go make am. That's all I sing now. Them say you know say, my God don't pay, shout hallelujah. I leave studio, I enter.com, start to hustle money to buy more time to throw the format. Every day and night, Kelly answer my day for system. Before you know me, I jam my control on my show. My brothers and sisters, my level don't change. So when you see me for my motto, make you free me because you know it's you. Keep talking to the mother until you get the control number. You guy, you know it's it to mama. Nothing good comes easy in this life.